All right. Just wanted to give you guys a few reminders and a little bit of just touch up and refresh on kind of what we covered this unit. Of course, order of operations. Here's your PEMDAS. Reminders there, P, that's your parentheses and grouping symbols. Also includes brackets and braces. E, of course, exponents. Guys, remember with multiplication division, that is kind of grouped together. You're going to work those left to right. But obviously those do need to be done before any kind of addition subtraction. For example, if you only have a problem here that only contains multiplication division, you are going to work this from left to right. So we will do 24 divided by 3 first, which would be 8. Then we'll multiply that by 2, which would be 16. Okay, so left to right there when faced with only multiplication division. Fractions, decimals, and percentages. Remember, any fraction is a small division problem. It is the numerator divided by the denominator, and 3 divided by 5 should come out to give you 0.6 or 0.60, okay, for instance. But top divided by the bottom. 35% back to a decimal. Any percentage can be written as a fraction over 100, or move the decimal 2 places to the left, 0.35, okay? So again, division by 100. Division by 100 will move the decimal 2 places back to the left, or just move the decimal 2 places to create that decimal. If we want to take a decimal to a fraction or a percentage, okay? If we're going to take it to a percentage, we want to move the decimal 2 places to the right. Tack on a percentage symbol. Okay, so decimal to percentage, 2 places to the right. If we want to create a fraction out of 0.25, if we have 0.25, the 5, that is in the hundredth spot. So that would be 25 over 100, and this would reduce to 1/4. Okay, so fractions, decimals, percentages need to be able to convert between the different types of formats we'll be prepared to. Percentage of change. The percentage of change, regardless if it's an increase or decrease, we want the difference in the two numbers. Whatever two numbers are talking about, we want to find that difference and make it a positive difference. Big number minus small number, and we are going to divide by the original number. Make sure you're dividing by the original number. So if we're going from 50 to 40, we're going to go 50 minus 40 divided by 50. 50 is the original number. We're starting at 50, reducing down to 40. 50 minus 40 is 10 over 50. And 10 divided by 50 should give you 0.2. Move the decimal twice. That would be a 20% decrease. 20% decrease. Okay? But that's how you figure percentage of change. Find the difference in the two numbers first, divide by the original amount. Translation. Talked a lot about the key words: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, different words that mean those things. The one that gives us a lot of trouble, subtraction, and particularly with these words right here, less than, okay? Less than does imply subtraction, but also remember, less than, we talked about it, it flips the order. 3 times a number is going to look like 3x, and we want 5 less than that. 5 less than that. So this would translate into 3x minus 5. Be careful of the words less than, okay? Evaluating. They will define the variables for you. X equals 2, y equals -1. That 2 gets to go here for x. This -1 gets to go here for x. I'm sorry, that should be a y. My fault, that should be a y. That -1 will go here for y. Use parentheses when you replace a variable with anything. Use parentheses to replace a variable with anything. Right here, make sure we do this first. -1 squared. -1 squared is -1 times -1. That would be +1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 minus 3, final answer of 1. We have evaluated this for these values of 2 and negative 1 respectively, and it simplifies to a positive 1. Okay? So just a little bit of a refresh over the topics that we covered this unit, and I will load this up and get it into Canvas. Have a good day.